Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the watch. Press and hold the side button for 5 to 10 seconds until the logo appears. While it boots, make sure the charger stays connected so the battery doesn't interrupt initial setup. Once the watch reaches the home screen, glance through any immediate prompts. They often request language and permissions. This quick check prevents later interruptions. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and nearby so pairing can begin without delays. Now you pair the devices. Open the companion app on your phone, choose Add Device, and follow prompts. When the watch displays a code or PIN, enter or scan it in the app to certify the connection. During this exchange, the app requests permissions. Approve location, notifications, and health access so features work correctly. Once paired, sync time and accounts. This ensures notifications and activity tracking align with your phone. Finish by signing into accounts and customizing settings like watch face, notification preferences, and health sync intervals. Test core functions. Make a call, check message delivery, and verify heart rate or GPS readings so you confirm everything operates. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the watch and your phone, then forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair from scratch. This clears transient glitches and almost always restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.